Hello everyone, this is the compressor for Tata Safari Storm, and this compressor is made by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. It is made in Japan. Let's check this compressor out from all the angles. So I have unboxed this compressor. Now I'll show you this from all the angles. So this is the coupler. This is the pulley. This is the pulley, and there you can see the seal for the Mitsubishi, which is the maker of this compressor. So there is another compressor which is made by Subros, but that doesn't fit in Tata Safari Storm. And this compressor is a little expensive as compared to other compressors. So the reason behind that is first, it is Japanese technology. We all know about it. It's a very good, and it's one of the best compressors. So from here you can see the fitting. This is good for the mechanics who are going to fit this compressor. And this is the pulley. So there is just a general tip. Whenever you buy this compressor or any compressor, just revolve the pulley and make sure, just a moment. So the pulley should be smooth. It shouldn't be free, and neither it should be heavy. It needs to be smooth. If it is smooth, the compressor is good. So if you would like to buy this compressor, you can simply contact us. We are Shakti Enterprises, Delhi, Rohini Sector 11, 110085. You can also contact us at 9999 290 522. This number is available on WhatsApp as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.